Hello, this is Rick, 98 Jetta 2.0, changing the plugs, wires, and the coil. Let's see, yeah, so to get in there easier, I just lifted up the intake. There's the let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, yeah, 5 Torx heads. Disconnected the hose right there to the sensor. And then in the back, there's a couple Torx on that bracket that goes to the head, cylinder head there. Just remove those two. Put them up out of the way. There they are. And then 2x4 lifts it up. And a couple tools I used. First one, just a big screwdriver. So you can get, I'll show you on the new one. So when it's in there, you can just slide it there and just turn it, so you can pry this up. If they've been on there a while, you can just try to pull on it, but the wires might just come out. So I would just put this under there, pull it up. That's what I did with these, because these, I don't know when these have ever changed, but so the screwdriver, and then I have the let's see, the 5/8 socket. What I did is I just put a little bit of tape in there, electrical tape. It helps keep the plug in there. And then it's a swivel. It's good there. And then another thing is I just use some hose. So you can just put it on the end of the plug, put it down in there and start turning it. If you want to do that way. And then let's see, so doing the wires. It's a coil, I think got from Rock Auto. And then let's see, for the threads, I got some anti-seize. And then for the electrical ends, I just got some grease. It comes with it. Comes with the wires. And then I got some NGK 24 thousandths, gapped them at. The ones that were in there weren't even gapped. I couldn't even get the tool in there to check them, to see what the gap was. So just looked online, and for the most of it, people are going with 24 thousandths. So all right. So thanks for watching, subscribing. Bye now.